Number 4, it was shown in the text that in a value such as 4,000 grams, the precision of the number is uncertain. Excuse me. The zeros may or may not be significant. Okay, the level of precision is uncertain. The zeros, okay, those 3 zeros may or may not be significant. A. Suppose the mass was determined to be 4,000 grams. How many significant figures are present in this measurement? Right? We have 3 trailing zeros, but there's no decimal. Because there's no decimal, those trailing zeros are considered to be not significant. So I only have 1 significant figure. B. Suppose you were told that the mass lies somewhere between 3,950 and 4,050 grams. Use scientific notation to report the value, showing an appropriate number of significant figures. Well, it's somewhere in between here. So what we can do here is we can add these two values together. Okay, that'd be 8,000. And then divide that number by the number of values. That'll be 4,000. So we got an average of 4,000 here. Using scientific notation, report this value and use the appropriate number of significant figures. Right? So right now, looking at these two values, I see 1, 2, 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3 significant figures. So when I go to report my when I go to report my answer, I need to have 3 significant figures as well. So I'm going to go 4,000, but I'm in scientific notation. So I will have to have moved that decimal from the 4,000 location 1, 2, 3 spots, so that this coefficient can be between 1 and 10. Times 10 to the, how many places did I move the decimal? 3, so 3. And then grams, because that's the unit. But here's the problem. If I just take the 4,000, move the decimal 3 places, I will actually get the wrong answer. Why? Because it will not have the appropriate number of significant figures. 3 significant figures here, 3 significant figures here. Now that I have this decimal present, that makes these trailing zeros significant. So I have 3 significant figures in each of these terms, but now I have 4 over here. I can't have that. I can't have my answer reported with more precision, okay, more exactness than the terms that made the calculation. So I need to get rid of one of those zeros. So I'll report 4.00 times 10 to the 3rd grams.